933. I just got a 10-point scalp. It was a bounce trade off of yesterday's low. Kind of a riskier trade, but I saw we had the 20 SMA on the 15-minute. We made a pretty quick drop. At the time, there wasn't too much significant delta to the downside, and the ES delta was up. I forgot to check my FLOWBOTS trade copier. I did not have the trade copier on. It was supposed to be copy trading in a couple other accounts, but it just got it on the one account. 10 points, 2 lots, almost 400 bucks after commissions there. We had the pre-market ebb and flow dot, which if you watched some of my other instructional videos, I usually wait to the first 5 minutes for the 935 candle, but sometimes I'll take the pre-market candle at 925 to 930. There was enough room down to VWAP to get in a 10-point scalp. I really wanted to take the bounce off of VWAP this morning. I did not, but it did bounce up 14, 15 points right when we hit VWAP. See here, we hit it, bounced up to 18. Got into a nice slow trend background here from the MonkeyMan Trades trend and reversal indicator right from the get-go. Had a fast trend signal as we were breaking below VWAP here. Been some good opportunities so far this morning. We are getting some hold up on this previous low here on the 15-minute chart. Just bounced up over 20 points from that area. We made it right back up to yesterday's low. It's now acting as resistance. Just dropped down over 30 points in less than a minute. Got whole number, got 80, got 60. We got a big psychological number at 19,000 right around S1. I'm always looking ahead at the future possible levels. Just got a fast trend candle. We're breaking above the center of the opening 15-minute range. We're breaking above yesterday's low right there. Looking at retest VWAP and the 20 SMA. Already bounced up 10 points there. Let's see if we can get a close above VWAP and the 20 here. Damn, got a horrible fill again. I got a great fill on my first trade. That trade I pushed the button and just didn't show up on my charts for about 10 seconds. We were coming right up to whole number. I wanted to get out really quick. I was just trying to get that first initial push above the 20, above VWAP, right around 90. Didn't fill me till 94, 95 though. I was tempted to take this fast trend short. We broke below the center of the 15-minute opening range. Dropped a quick 20 points there from the close of that candle. Getting some nice quick moves, some good volatility. I don't think I got very much on that last trade. It's like 150 bucks. It's a pretty big wick on the 5-minute candle here. We wicked off of the center of the opening range and the 20 SMA right there on the 1 minute. Just bounced down right off the 20 SMA. That was a 30-point move. 20 SMA holding up again, down 20 points. I've got the 20 SMA on all my charts, got VWAP on all my charts. I'm always trying to think about the future potential moves, future potential scenarios, kind of like a game of chess. Just broke whole number and the first 15-minute candle low here. Got a level at 80, level at 60, ebb and flow dot. Second one of the day. Be entering at 81. The ES is holding up. If the ES breaks, this might break. So far the ES is holding up. A lot more delta to the upside. Got the 10 points there though. Just took a long off the 20 area. That trade was not a trade I could really recommend to take to anyone else. I was tempted to take another bounce trade right there, right around whole number. Just bounced up almost 40 points there. Let's see, what did I get on the last trade? Pretty good, up almost $1,000 now. A little after 10 o'clock. Finally got a break in the ES. Got a bunch of delta coming in on the ES now. Tempted to go long right here with all this delta that just came in. Would have worked out for a 10-point scalp there. Had the reversal signal. Had a great amount of delta coming back in. I hesitated. I definitely do not catch every single trade opportunity every day. There's a lot that gets left on the table, and at the same time, there's just usually a lot of different trading opportunities waiting for the best of the best, waiting for setups that I feel I have total confidence in. I'm going to switch this to a 4-hour chart. Get some nice levels around 930. 930 and whole number. There's our level at 30. Will we get enough respect? Yes. Did pop up 14 points from 30 where I got in. Alright, there we go. We just popped up almost 20 points from the 30 level. Got a third ebb and flow signal in the same direction. If you've watched any of my other videos, I'm a big fan of the first move, sometimes the second move, third move in the same direction. Gotta have some major reason to take it. We're looking around 08, 09. We got whole number in the way. I don't think I got very much in that last trade. I hopped out pretty quick. 1261. It's getting later in the day and I'm at 100% win rate, so I'm going to be getting more and more picky to the trades I take. Take that off of center. If you don't know about that trick, in your data series, there's a center price on scale button. I just unchecked it so I can see more of the range, but I have center price on scale clicked on all my other charts. So that just keeps the current price, the current candle, right in the center. I like it so I can see what's above me and below me. Otherwise, you know, in this down move, these candles would be way down at the bottom of the chart. I do like having the center price on scale activated for most of my charts. But now when I scroll back on the 60-minute, I'll be able to see these other levels a little bit better. So 930, we already had that level, took a trade from there. 830, 770. Put those on my 15-minute chart too. Got the free NINZA quick drawing tool that I'm using. I've just got my two favorite drawing objects that are able to be displayed on the chart right here. Just click on that. I can draw a horizontal line anywhere I want. It's a great free indicator from NINZA. Got a reversal signal down here. Nice pop up. Made it back up to S1. We got some hold up at S1. Bounced down off of S1 by 40 points. That ebb and flow signal did work out. We dropped over 20 points there. Got ebb and flow long on the NQ and the ES. If we break above this candle here. So when we've got price moving this crazy, like 30 or 40 points every few seconds, my normal breaking above or below the candle by 2 points rule, you know, I might be looking for a break above or below by 4 points just because of the extra volatility. Kind of wanted to take that. That was a quick 10 points, 21 to 34 there. Easily got the 10 points. All of the ebb and flow signals worked out today for 10 points on the NQ, if you count the pre-market signal. Even with my own strategies that I create, I don't just take every single signal just because it prints a signal, or I don't take every single setup just because it's there. I like to feel very confident and comfortable with every trade that I take, and I want to have as much as possible in confluence, and I want to feel really good about each trade that I'm taking. So do I miss out on some trade opportunities? Yes. Are there always more trade opportunities? Yes. Just came up to VWAP, bounced down off of VWAP on the ES. Even the ES is moving fast. Just got a 7-point bounce off of VWAP in less than 30 seconds on the ES. I do kind of like the idea of one more short at some point between now and 10:33 or so. We are at the VWAP on the ES. If I was going to take a short, I'd much rather see it up near the VWAP on the NQ. There's always the possibility we'll be doing some kind of crazy V-shaped reversal. Just fly back up. So I just kind of watch how price reacts when we get to different levels. I just got in my one more short that I was talking about wanting to take. Saw this candle coming down pretty hard. Some nice delta coming in. Got out for a quick scalp as we were coming up to the 50 level. We did bounce from this general area just now up another 40 points. This ebb and flow signal was the 1030 candle close, and I treat this 1030 candle close ebb and flow dot the same way I would treat an ebb and flow dot that appears at the 925 to 930 candle close. I'll take them sometimes if they're in the same direction that I'm looking for, but if not, I do not take them. Also with the ebb and flow system, I'm only trading it on the 5-minute NQ, and I'm only trading between 9:30 and 10:30. I'm sure you can find some other profitable ways to use this system. That's just the only way that I've been using it. Ended up keeping my 100% win rate today, $1,500 after commissions. We broke above VWAP on the ES a little bit ago, and that's dragging up the NQ. Both of those ebb and flow signals did work out. I'm taking all these trades on my Apex Trader funding accounts. Apex is still having the 80% off sale until the end of July. If you use code MonkeyMan over at Apex, you get the best price always, and you help support the work that I do on this channel. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.